Beach at the Beach, Portugal.
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 Welcome back to Beach at the Beach, Day 2, Portugal.
All the formality goes out the window. There isn't any. And people are basically equal. You know, the woman with the money to invest and the guy with the company in the need, they're equal.
Existem ideias muito interessantes e com potencial. É muito engraçado ver jovens que de alguma forma tentam vingar na vida e trazer aqui novas ideias que sejam disruptivas e lutar por elas. Acho que o Beach at the Beach tem dado essa oportunidade a estes jovens e acho que é balanço extremamente positivo.
En una de ellas ya hemos decidido invertir y ahora estamos terminando de ver los pitch para ver cómo va. Pero ya en alguna de ellas, ya en una, hemos decidido invertir.
My name is Christine Björkby and I'm from Sweden and I'm representing European Business Angel Network and I'm also an investor and also growing companies in the community of Europe.
Galactical, that's what's going to happen next.
We don't expect it to be so big and so great because it's the first one. Usually the first one is more, mellow and there are more issues happening, but this one is perfect.
I really like it. When I see get to see the ocean and everything, so it's make me relax. And everyone is friendly here, and lots of people, and share the knowledge, and so amazing.
Number 3. You forget me.
Great keynote speakers, more startups pitching, 3 great winners again. We close with an amazing keynote speaker, Francisco Sacadura, about neurology, and it was like we all became even more clever. So it is blown my mind. I think second day, fantastic.
Wind driver.
Foi um dia hiper interessante, com esta total boa disposição, com esta multinacionalidade, com cidadãos do mundo, com gente muito interessante, com gente especial, com projetos especiais. E, portanto, damos o dia por muito bem conseguido.
The winner of Beach at the Beach, Day 2 in Portugal, is Regional Lab.
We're very happy. Our dream came true. We've been hard working from many months ago, and this win is for the team, for Peru, for Panama, for all the SMBs that we plan to help. So we're very glad.
You think you can win tomorrow?
Yes, I can. Why not? Just bring a little bit of, humor, fun, and how you call that? Attitude. A little bit of attitude and